Stop just buying gear and start building resilience. In an unpredictable 2026 economy, prepping isn't just about surviving a disaster. It's about protecting your wealth from inflation and grid failure. Welcome to The Prepper's Path, and this is 5 prepper investments you need to make right now. Number 1. Physical silver. Forget the digital numbers on a screen. Silver bullion, rounds, and bars are tangible, inflation-proof wealth. It's a universally recognized asset you can actually hold in your hand if the banking system ever freezes. Number 2. Productive land. It doesn't have to be a 100-acre ranch. Just a single acre of raw land with water access gives you a bug-out location and a place to build off-grid equity. Number 3. Heirloom seeds and fruit trees. With food prices constantly climbing, a backyard orchard or a deep storage seed bank is a literal growing asset that pays massive dividends every single harvest. Number 4. Off-grid energy. Solar generators. Electricity is getting expensive and unreliable. Investing in high-quality solar banks and panels means you permanently own your power supply. Number 5. Tangible skills. Pay for an EMT course, a welding class, or small engine repair training. Knowledge is the highest ROI asset on Earth, and it's the only investment that can never be stolen from you. Don't just prep to survive. Prep to thrive. Shift your mindset from spending to investing today. Hit subscribe for more prepper finance tips, and I'll see you next time.